Intranet Portal is a key of the proper communication in your company. But what to do to have your users engaged and visiting this portal every day? In this video, I would like to present you the 5 features that you should include into your SharePoint-based Intranet portal to be sure that your business users will be engaged and will visit your portal regularly. This is something super important because having portal that is not used by anyone, for sure it will not improve the communication inside your organization. Plus this will be huge waste of money to invest to the solution that will not be used by anyone. And as always, if you like this video, I would like to ask you to leave the thumbs up. If you want to get the notifications about the new videos, please subscribe. And if you will have any additional questions, leave them in the comments section. I want to present you the 5 functionalities that you should implement without any additional costs in your intranet and promote them to your business users. Idea behind it is to be sure that you can deliver the real value to the people in your organization, and people I meant not IT. So normal business users that will have purpose and additional value to visit your intranet portal. Moreover, all the features I would like to share with you will not require from you any custom development, will not require from you any additional costs. You can implement them using the out-of-the-box functionalities of the SharePoint Online. And it is super crucial to focus on the business-oriented functionalities to engage your business users and bring them to start to use something totally new, intranet portal, communication portal, landing page in your organization. And if you are a technical person, you can focus on the very technical aspects of the portal. The elements I would like to recommend is to focus on the business needs, to be sure that these are the functionalities that will make your users' life easier and maybe will remove some obstacles or additional crazy functionalities used in the other places. So let's move to SharePoint Online and let's see top 5 features that you should implement when you're planning to build Intranet portal. When you're working with your intranet idea, you need to find the space to engage your business users, to bring them every day to this site, to be sure that there will be some kind of value for them to open that kind of application in the browser or in the Microsoft Teams. And this is a crucial element not only to deliver great functionality for the communication, HR or IT, but to find the business value that will be valuable for the business users, not just the owners of the portal. The first functionality I would like to recommend you are something that have to be implemented in your SharePoint Online Intranet portal is the centralized navigation. So something that you can deliver without any technical element is that centralized navigation that will offers users the possibility to navigate through systems that they are using daily, gives them possibility to easily switch between department sites or open the main functionalities like Document Center or Search Center. This is something that you can easily manage. The only thing you need to do is to make your SharePoint site the hub site and attach other sites to your portal. Thanks to that, the top navigation that you can see on the screen will be unified between all the sites that will be included into the intranet, and you can easily navigate the users between them, but also the applications that the links they have probably in the bookmarks in the browser. Having them centralized, up to date, in the one centralized application called Intranet is super beneficial and doesn't require from you any additional work. The only thing you need to do is to navigate the links, to create the links. You can do that using this functionality. It's not the technical thing, The only thing you need to do is to create and navigate the links and build the navigation on top of that. And one more element that is quite important. You can use audience targeting, so you can decide that specific groups in your organization will see specific links only. So imagine that you have automation group that manage the processes in your organization. You can decide that this specific group will see the link to the applications that they're using, but nobody else. And again, you don't have to develop anything. You can customize the navigation for your business users that every person will see the elements that they use, and all of that will be centralized in one place. The second element I would like to highlight as a crucial part that you should implement in your SharePoint Online intranet is the C-level communication. Announcements, news are always part of the every SharePoint-based intranet. You can deliver them very easily, but if you will focus on something additional, so to have the centralized place where you can deliver the messages from the board, could be very beneficial to the business users. First of all, it will be centralized in the one place that is always accessible. The second, every person wants to know what's happening with the organization, what kind of changes the board planned, what kind of additional elements are planned behind it. And I want to highlight here that you should consider to deliver two things. First, to organize the town halls, to use Microsoft Teams to build the town hall, let's say webinar, and deliver the message from the board to the users across the organization, to record that and then publish it as a part of the message from the board, C-level announcements that will be part of your intranet. And you can deliver this functionality very easily. The only thing you need to do is to use the news web part that could be customized, that will gather the messages from the specific site, will post them as a part of your site, right side navigation, and you can decide manually which kind of news do you prefer to be present on the messages from the board, or you can decide that based on the dedicated site or properties that you will use in your organization. This is very easy to deliver functionality inside your intranet, but having C-level management communication as a part of our intranet is must-have. The third element that you should always include into your intranet portal is the toolbox. So navigation to the business applications used in the organization. You can see it could be the part of the top navigation of your hub site, and you can always use here audience targeting, so decide who will see what in their dynamic personalized navigation in your intranet portal. You can use that as a part of the navigation. You can also use dedicated web part that will navigate the user to the specific applications as a part of your intranet portal. Panel with the links that will navigate users to the applications that you want to highlight. If the complexity of it will be much bigger, you can create the new additional site and build that kind of structure, then to group your links. The only thing you need to do is to use the quick link web part, which is something super simple and also allows you to use audience targeting for the specific links and show or hide them to the specific groups of users. You can see this is very straightforward functionality, but having the list of all applications that should be used in the organization in the one place could be very helpful for the business users. The fourth feature I would like to highlight that you should promote as a part of your intranet portal is the search engine. So the possibility to use full text search across the whole platform, so allows your users and show them the value. If they will move to the intranet portal, they will have the possibility to search across multiple files, multiple communication channels using search engine. This will give the possibility to go through the files in the OneDrive, in the SharePoint, sites across the whole intranet portal, search for people, and look for the possible contacts across your organization and found the elements that these people working on. This is also very important because finding the contacts details to the specific person could be very difficult. You can also get true news through videos that contains that kind of information, images that contain that kind of content inside it. And remember, all of these search results apply permissions and access rights, so the users will see the only element that they have access to. The last fifth feature I would like to promote as a part of the Intranet portal that you need to have is the specific business application that you need to figure out for your business users. It could be using Viva Engage, so Yammer, to share the communication across the organization, to have the communities based on expertise or based on the hobbies, something that people would like to spend time on. And again, this is not something that will make your organization faster or earn more money, but something that will bring your business users. And it don't have to be Viva Engage. It can be any other application that you will find interesting for your business users. It could be ordering the lunch. It could be pictures from the integration parties. People can see how John holding the bear every Friday. Something that will bring people to your intranet portal just for fun. And again, will be something that will bring them initially just to see somebody maybe drunk or discuss about whose dog look cuter, but in the next step you will be able to bring them to something more advanced. But this is really great first step to bring them into your intranet portal and never leave them behind. I hope this video helped you to build some idea about building the business engagement through functionalities of the intranet portal based on SharePoint. I think this is super important to start your planning based on such a features to be sure that you will have the idea how to bring them first, maybe for something totally not related with your daily business, but then to move them to something more advanced, maybe collaboration, maybe documents, maybe AI, anything else, but focus on the business needs. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I also want to recommend you to see the previous video that is focused especially how to build the ROI business case and how to find the founders for such a project when you're planning SharePoint based intranet in your organization. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.